Hi, welcome to our house. I was about to go out, but I can give you a quick tour. Come on, let's have a look. Here we are in our kitchen. This is our Japanese rice cooker and all our dried goods. And over here is our Instant Pot. It's so great to use. And this is our gas range. This is our washroom and laundry area. Let's go see what the kids are up to. They're in the living room. Let's say hi. Hi, kids.
Hi.
Hi.
What are you guys doing?
We're watching LankyBox.
We have guests over. I'm just showing them around. Don't forget to turn off the TV after this episode, okay?
Okay.
Let's look here. This is my room. Oh, look, it's my husband. Hi.
Hi.
I'm just showing people around our house. Take a break.
Sure, thanks.
This is my sewing machine, and this is my Google Home Hub. It's so cool. Check it out. Hey, Google, when was Lego invented?
August 10th, 1932, Billund, Denmark.
It's really nifty to have. We use it all the time. Here are my Blythe dolls. And this is another bedroom. This is where the homework's done. Well, that's it for our house tour. I've got to be going out now. I'll catch you next time. Thanks for coming. Bye-bye. Thanks for visiting one of the families in our Lego town. If you like these kinds of videos, don't forget to press like and subscribe. Bye!